Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play UCL Group Pilgrimage in EA Sport FC Mobile 24 so you can spend your UCL points here. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get start by tap the play button, tap the live events and tap the UEFA Champions League. And as you can see, there are four page here. This is the main page, group stage page, inform focus, and legend clubs. Start by tap the group stage, and this is the UCL Group Pilgrimage. Spend UCL points to get UCL Group Stage. Team logos, collect all 52 logos to unlock the UCL Super Star player reward. So the point of this feature, you can get this. You can unlock this Antonio Rudiger after you tap the logo in each group. Complete it until from group A until group H. You have to unlock the logo, and also you can get this group reward from each group after unlock for logo. And you can unlock this logo or tap the logo to get the reward by collecting this UCL point from the main page. Just play this stage in the main page every day, collect the UCL point, and you can spend your UCL point in this UCL Group Pilgrimage. And also you can buy UCL point from the store by top up the game. And also this one, also you can get 100 UCL point by top up in the game. So challenge yourself, please be patient because it takes a time to unlock or to tap the logo to get the rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.